people, hoping you are doing fine. Welcome to our channel. This is Joint Hands Green Life Trees, and we are coming to you from Sir Edwards. With me here is Pamela. Yeah, and it is dusk, so that's why images you see may not be quite clear. Or to the back there is Fellow the boy. Pam?
Yes, hi everyone, it's Pamela here of Joint Hands Green Life Trees, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
Thank you. We also have Fellow the boy.
Welcome to Joint Hand Green Life Tree. My name is Fellow the Boy. Guys, we are here at Kiburanga. We are sorry for the background light. It is kindly late, but we will try our best at least to make sure that whatever has been arranged to be uploaded to you has just gone through. Thank you very much.
So great people, as we had told you before, we had to get some good level for this ground before we embark on the landscaping work. So what you can see here is the driveway that got opened and the leveling of the ground that took place. So that particular ground you see to that side was raised using the soil that was dug on this ground, and this area here will mostly carry the plants, but this ground that has been dug here will be a hard ground. It will have to be backfilled with marram and concrete so that it is a tough ground. What you can see to that side over there is a water tower. So this will be holding the water tank. It will be placed at the most appropriate place when time comes. This section, as I had stated before, will be a parking yard, just as you can see it. We've proposed a raft of measures to see that the water drainage system for this entire yard will be worked out accordingly. Now this raised ground here will also could possibly be a kitchen garden, or it could be a flower zone, or we will do grass. As days go by, we will be getting the right ideas for it, as you can see. But what we wanted to show you was the ground leveling that took place and how we got to dump the soil here, and the excess soil was removed because this ground had to be dug deep so that we get to a tough layer down, so that we start the construction of the driveway right from down the ground. And that is what took place. As you check around next to the wall, the drainage system was dug. So all this is drainage system. Having dug it, the next thing that will be taking place here is its construction. And the drainage system was just worked out. What you see to this side are makeshift ladders that will help the masons to do the construction work up there. But down here it is all dug at that corridor between the wall to the house and the wall to the perimeter fence. And so it goes all the way that way. As I move to this side, here is the water tank. This ground was moved down. As you may recall, it used to be high to an extent that mostly water would affect this veranda that you see here. But now it can't be affected because the ground has been moved down. And the same case applies here. A drainage system has been worked out. What is left is its construction. And to the wall will be a flower bed. Is what we are working around to see that it goes through accordingly. As we move that way, you can also see that initially we had this ground quite high, and mostly excess rainwater that would get poured down here would find its way into the house. But right now, this is a whole trench. It will be a drainage system, while to this side will be a flower bed. And as you check this whole area, it is quite not easy for water to get flowing into the house again, because we have this other ground outside here lowered. And it goes all the way that way. This water will find a way of getting channeled downwards. When construction time comes, this whole water will be redirected and it will be flowing downwards, and it will go straight it will go straight to it will go straight down that way and find its way to the main drainage system on the road outside there. So guys, this is what we look forward to bringing to you. The construction work is the next phase. This was the initial phase, so the construction phase is the next idea that we're going to work towards. Told you it is dusk, so images may not be quite clear, but we needed to update you on the groundwork that has taken place here and what is to come up. We are looking forward to having a flower bed along the driveway and all that will be constructed, and it will be done using road channels and road curbs. That is what is to take place here. We want to take it to an extent to which finally the final phases, because we are getting into the second phase of this project, the final phase will see that curb rows are finally done here, but most importantly, we need to do constructions. First of all, we need retention walls. You see that heap of soil to my back there. We need a construction of a retention wall such that that whole heap of soil can't be eroded downwards, because a wall will be holding it. And once that is constructed, it will be done to this other side as well. Then to either side will be flower beds and a parking yard. And around the parking yard, we'll see which are the most ideal plants for the area. And even the veranda to the house that you see over there, we look forward to having flower pots and relevant plants around the doorstep. That is the much that I'm updating you for now. We look forward to bringing you more updates at the time when we will be starting up the second phase of bringing transformation to this yard. Thank you.